Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. This is episode 6 of the Adobe series Photoshop, and today I'm gonna show you how I make my thumbnails and I'm gonna show you what a camera raw filter is. Let's get right into the episode. Okay guys, so we have this image of color balls, okay? So I'll extrude this by taking I'll extrude it by clicking it, holding Alt extrudes out here like this. Before you had to hold Shift, but Shift doesn't work anymore, so now you don't. And I'll just extrude it out like this, and then click OK up here, or Escape. I don't know. You can do whatever. So yeah. So now we have this layer here. That's great. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use the techniques we've used before. So I'll just take the lasso tool like this here. I can't remember if you guys remember this, but we'll have to rasterize the layer, and then we can say fill the content aware. There we go. That removed the color mark a little bit. I'll see for myself when the video uploads, I guess. But yeah, well guys, this is how I normally make how I normally make them, so yeah. Bondini. This used to be my favorite font of all fonts I had. Camera filter. That's actually look pretty cool, I'm not gonna lie. we go, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you next time. Bye.